No African can be a foreigner in Africa. It's when you can wake up and say they must just go. You can't do that. These are Africans. And we've been saying, for that matter, these borders that we see today are artificial borders. We were given these borders by Berlin Conference in 1886. These are not our borders. It can happen that your roots can be traced in Congo. And the problem with this problem that is being said today, it's only affect black people. What about white people who do not have papers to be in South Africa? What about real cartels, criminals who are coming from Italy, who are here in South Africa? What about Israelites who are even doing business in South Africa without proper documentation? By the way, the ANC leader, Chris Hani, was killed by a white immigrant. How did he get to South Africa?
Thank you,
He
sir.
was white and nobody asked him his ID. No African can be a foreigner in Africa. And no thugs can go out there and call us and tell us that is what you must do. We can't be led by thugs called Ngizwe and others with a name that I can't even understand, Pagalama Gwech and others. They can't do that. This is the land of ours, and we can't be led by people who don't even know they are standing in the society.
If you enjoy content about African history, politics, and unity, subscribe to On Tourist in Africa and join the movement.